Hey, I'm so glad you came back to watch our next show. Today we'll see squares, boxes, and cylinders. We'll see them change shapes and colors, and we will play with them.
What shape is this? Right, it's a square. A square. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. See, the sides are all the same length. Let's change the shape and make 2 sides longer. Now it's a rectangle. A rectangle. Let me show you some things that have the shape of a rectangle. A cell phone, a dollar bill, and many flags of different countries. Look, the American flag, the stars and stripes, a Japanese flag, the Canadian flag, and many more. Want to see some funny dancing flags? Here we go! Wasn't that nice? Now let's change the square shape again. Oh, see? It looks like a box now. It's called a cube. A cube. Let's look at some things that have the shape of a cube. A dice that you can play with. Rubik's cube. An ice cube. Let's change the shape one more time. Look at it now. It's a cuboid. A cuboid. It can also be called a rectangular prism. But that's a really difficult word. Let's see some examples of that shape. An apartment tower. A wooden box. An aquarium. Let's play a little with all the boxes we have, and let's make them soft and wiggly. How nice! See, they're changing colors now. Pink, red, purple, blue, green, and yellow. Now you tell me the colors you see. I'm sure you got all the colors right again. Now we'll show you another shape. Take a look at the circle. Let's look at it sideways. Now, see what happens. We'll let it grow. See? It's changing shape. What shape is it now? Right. It's a cylinder. A cylinder. Let's look at some cylinders in real life. A can of Coke. A glass of water. A battery. A candle. Let's play with some wiggly cylinders and some wiggly boxes. Let's watch them fall and bump into each other.
Oh, I sure hope you liked it. Come back often. I'll make lots of nice videos like this one. See you around!